Hello Cindy Warriors, I hope that you're doing amazing. We have constantly updating you on the latest happenings and huge development that we are having here in War Cynthia. That is because transparency and accountability are our core values. This time, I would like to share with you some information that we think is highly important and timely. You might have heard something related about what's going on with the collapse of USD and Luna right now, and how this has affected the crypto world. Indeed, has been a big surprise. Who would have thought that this is even possible? The Luna USD crisis is widely regarded as one of the greatest crypto crashes ever, especially considering USD had risen to become the third largest stablecoin and Luna had outperformed other major crypto assets. It's crazy that Luna fell around 99%, and USD, designed to hold at $1, fell to 30 cents and bottomed out at 13 cents. So what happened with Terra USD and Terra Luna? Basically, the balancing out between Terra USD and Luna broke. The most significant reason why majority of the people held Terra USD was because of something called the Anchor protocol. Consider Anchor as a saving account for your Terra USD, but it pays you 20% interest, a fantastic offer for a saving account. But Terra High Interest Savings Account has been steadily reducing the rates it offers holders for depositing USD. What started out at 20% and had been marketed as stable began to steadily decline, and with interest rates expected to fall down, USD's #1 use case began to crumble. Once it became clear that 20% interest was not going to last, USD holders started to leave. As more people attempted to sell their Terra USD, the balance system fell and Terra USD and Luna both plummeted. The stablecoin dropped as low as 0.14. Luna has nearly lost all the value, falling to less than a penny. And since we know the USD holders were only interested in the Terra network because of Anchor, the departures meant that they had no further use for that USD, so they had a massive exit, and at that point its fall was already irreversible. Given how closely USD and Luna are intertwined with the on-chain mint and burn mechanism, it's not surprising that the stablecoin losing its peg to the dollar had a ripple effect. So, we're going back to if it's reliable or not to have the assets in the blockchain. Well, at this point, we have come to realize that doesn't matter, because the project body can also take the money away. Therefore, what determines the quality of the project is the company attitude and credibility. The collapse of Luna is because they borrow money from foundations and capital institutions to raise the price of the currency. With the fiasco happening around the crypto market, we would like to share and ensure our community that there is no risk when you invest in War Cynthia, because we haven't and we won't introduce any fund lending. We are independent. We don't have this problem because we don't need to borrow any money to raise the price of the currency. War Cynthia has its own investors and many projects that are consolidating slowly but surely. We are holding worldwide events to grow our community, our audience, our customers, and to reach people from all over the world. Viking Shield Trust is an Australian company that have incredible resources with private investors that will put this project in the top of the gaming industry. It's important to mention that our foundation has provided $3 million to develop this game, and we also have $2 million in media promotion resources for pre-game promotion. We are not an anonymous team behind this. There's a regular company. As you are fully aware now, we are currently releasing videos and content of our project, updates, news, video game information, and surprises, so the community will see our growth and they will follow us in this journey. Our company is healthy and reliable. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, transparency and accountability are our core values. So rest assured that you are in good hands. You made the best decision of your life when you decided to join our community. Let's keep going, warriors. We are Worst India. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to follow us in Twitter, Telegram and Discord channels to receive the latest news. See you in the next occasion. Bye bye, Cindy Warriors.